The basis of a democracy is free and open government. It means accountability to the people. That's the basis of democracy. You can't have a democracy if the officials in our government are not accountable to us. And the main branch of government to which they should be accountable, other officials, especially non-elected officials, is our Congress, which is the basic voice of the people. And what we've run into, especially since the mid-70s from Richard Nixon on, are a continuing series of non-elected bureaucrats sitting under presidents who refuse to even answer questions before Congress. And what this does, it creates a secretive government which is not accountable to the people, which undermines both the rule of law and democracy. The Bush administration has been one of the most secretive governments we've ever had because their officials, and these are officials either appointed by the president or someone in the White House, non-elected officials, refuse to even cooperate with Congress. They may show up to a hearing, but for 3.5 hours, for example, on January 18th, several weeks ago, Alberto Gonzales refused to answer questions concerning the new agreement that the Bush White House has with the so-called FISA court, which oversees domestic surveillance and intelligence activities in this country. And for 3.5 hours, he sat there and just wouldn't even answer, using the so-called national security mantra. In other words, these may be national security issues, therefore I can't answer your questions. But everything can't be national security. So what's happened is that we've got a government that's very secretive. It doesn't want to divulge anything. And the Bush White House, in a sense, sort of sees Congress as the enemy, which means we the people are the enemy. The basic blame for the state of affairs are the American people. The American people are woefully ignorant of the Bill of Rights, their Constitution. They don't even know what's in it. Most Americans don't even know what the basis of a democracy is. In this country, the basis of a democracy is those three wonderful words, we the people, which means it's we the people are the rulers of the country, and all these people, the Congress, the president, the judges, they're all accountable to the people in the end. But it has to be the Congress, which is the voice of the people, that has to act and has to be responsible. And so Congress simply cannot allow non-elected officials or bureaucrats to come before them and refuse to answer questions. They have to get down to the nitty-gritty. We need open and free government, or we will lose our democracy.